Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn how to make a boat origami. So let's get started. For that you need a piece of paper, fold it in half, make a crease. Now again fold it in half like this. Make a crease. Unfold. Now take this edge line, fold it to this crease over here. Fold it down. Take this part, do the same. Fold it over here. Now press it down. Now from here take one of the part, fold it upwards, turn it over, take this part and fold it upwards. Now we will bend this over here like this, and this one over this side like this. Same over here, bend this inside and bend this. So after we are done till this, you can see there is a pocket over here. Open the pocket and take these 2 points and join them together like this. Now press the sides. Now take one of the side, one of the flap, and make a crease over here. Take this point to this point like this. Now flip it over, do the same. Now again you can see there is a pocket over here. We'll again fold it, again bring this point to this point like this. Now with the help of your fingers just pull it like this. And your boat is ready. Just make a bit gap over here like this, and it is ready. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos like this. Peace.